What do you get when you cross 3D printing, a laser, and woodworking? I'll show you. So obviously at this point, you guys have noticed that some of the gaps don't look good. There are some mess ups here in the miters, and well, it's just not a perfect box. I even marked up some stuff over here with the hammer, and a little gap right there as well. So on the one hand, my OCD is going ballistic and wanting to go back and fix all this stuff because it's not perfect. But on the other hand, well, I have more fingers. No, seriously. On the other hand, this box is supposed to look old, like a tattered, aged relic that's been trapped in some old wizard's lab for centuries. I really didn't care a whole heck of a lot about making perfect miters or if things weren't right. Or if there was a little gap here, because while I am sanding it and making it look smooth throughout this process, I'm going to end up distressing this thing quite a bit more. Now, I didn't go out of my way to make these mistakes, but if they happen, I just simply didn't care. I wasn't measuring perfectly. I was using very rough methods to put this thing together. And at the end of the day, it is what it is, really. I think it looks good. Stick with me, folks. I know these things may be driving you crazy, but there's a method to my madness. I promise.